And a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what's up everyone? We're filming the video, just practicing some combos. It's a little cold today. I don't know what else. Kind of just doing some combos and that's about it. So stay tuned. Alright, we'll just practice some combos. No. I guess I misread the weather, because it said it was going to be 55 today, and it's really cold. Ooh. Combo. And I'm out of breath already. Alright, I think I'm sick because I'm short breath as crap right now. I cannot breathe for anything of my life. And I decided why not come out and film a video, because you know, gotta stay consistent. But I'm short breath as frick, and I'm tired, but we're still gonna send it. Like, I cannot breathe. Dang it, hold up. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'm literally dying, and I'm trying my hardest to keep riding, but this is so hard. Oh my god. Alright, continue though. Alright, here we go. I don't know why the bike was leaning so much. No! Oh. Oh my God, my heart is going a million miles an hour. Oh. seeing black spots. This is better, you know. Finna pass out. All good, you know. YouTube grind. Oh. Still feel like death. Still gonna send it. My chest. Alright. Winners win. I don't take no losses. What I say? Winners win.